This tutorial covers refining searches in Academic Search Complete. Searching can often reveal a huge number of articles, but there are a variety of ways to refine a large results list so that it's more manageable. We could add terms in another search box, or change how the terms relate in our search. The Boolean connectors help to relate new terms with our first term, and makes the search more selective since it looks for both terms to occur in the same article. Not is also more selective, since it removes any article that has the term following the not. Both and not will make our search results list smaller. If you do need a search and need a larger results list, try using or, which will look for both terms together or separately. For example, adding a synonym phrase with or, like king salmon, will give an even larger results list. Another way to refine our results list is to use the drop-down menus, which let us search by specific authors or journal names. Let's use the results list for just one search for now, and look at some other ways to refine the search. For example, we could limit our results to peer-reviewed articles, the kind that show up in journals that have been evaluated by other scholars and experts. These will remove the articles that are from magazines or newspapers. Most of the time, these will be the articles that will best help you complete your research assignments. Note the icons on the side of each item. These give a broad sense of what kind of work the item is. One way to specify what kind of item you want is to use the source type. Academic journals are generally the best sources, but sometimes an assignment will require something from a newspaper or a magazine or a book review. When your assignment calls for a specific source type, save yourself time and use this menu to make your results list smaller. Another tool in the menu that can help narrow your results list is the Subject tool. Clicking this link gives you a list of related subjects, and clicking a subject will add it to your search. It's just like using the AND function in the search boxes at the top of the screen. Here we'll choose the subject fish migration to focus our search and give us a more manageable results list. Now we're focusing specifically on the migration of Chinook salmon. Our results list is much more manageable now. Sometimes you might be required to find articles from a particular time period, such as a specific decade or from the last 5 or 10 years. The date slider in the menu allows you to specify a range of dates. This is another way to make your results list conform to what you want. There are other useful tools in the menu on the left side of the screen. Try them out and see how your results list changes. This concludes the Refining Searches tutorial.